Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming back with a remote job opportunity. It is a customer service support representative with Clever. Clever is a online educational app mostly used in the public school system. Most parents use that to communicate with teachers. Clever is a Kahoot company. The headquarters is in San Francisco, California, but you can do this job opportunity anywhere in the US. This contract opportunity does begin on May 19th or June 16th, and it concludes on September 26th, 2025. A day in the life of this job, you will be independently managing and prioritizing high seasonal volume of customer support requests via phone, email, or your individual queue, handling about 40 calls and email cases per day, communicating with district administrators and application partners to resolve product related issues as our customers are getting their Clever accounts ready for the new school year, utilizing analytical and problem solving skills to investigate, test, and troubleshoot system features, navigate and contribute to internal and external products documentation, collaborate and support the team by sharing ideas and knowledge, being a reliable team member and willing to help others when needed. So, this opportunity, if you're interested, you should apply below. The experience that they're looking for is having experience in a fast paced customer facing position. You've worked with email, phone support. They're looking for someone who has a passion for solving technical problems to help others. Also, you will work deeply to understand customer perspectives, to assess their needs, and define technical solutions to help them achieve their goals. Comfort, navigating ambiguity. You may encounter problems and situations that you may have not seen before. You are comfortable with partnering with the customers to find a solution to document learnings. Excellent communication skills. You can explain technical concepts to both technical and non technical audiences. You can communicate and empathize with the stakeholders to drive issues to resolution. So, for this position, they do have several different shifts available. They are Monday through Friday. There's a 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They also have a 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 a.m. to 3:30 Pacific Standard Time, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Again, there is